Alright guys, I made it to the train station. It's actually pretty impressive. Very big. We go to Chiang Mai, number 51. So they actually have some old stuff from the old stations. Well, it's gonna be 12 hours train ride. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of In My Dreams. It's a place where I'm living mine, and I'm gonna teach you how to live yours too, because that's what life is about. And today guys, we're actually on our way to Chiang Mai, and right now we're on the bus. We're on the bus to the Bangkok airport, and then we're gonna get on the train to Chiang Mai. See, we're on the bus. So it's a 2-hour ride to Bangkok airport, and then we go to the train station, and then we go up to Chiang Mai. So it's gonna be an overnight train ride, guys. So I'm excited for it actually. I'm filming the whole thing so some of you guys can learn how to do this. That's why I'm doing this, so you guys can learn and I can learn how to, get across Thailand, for a pretty cheap price. I could have took a flight if I wanted to, but I thought this would be a better version to get across Thailand, to show people that are trying to learn how to do this. Alright guys, so we made it to Bangkok airport, and now we're gonna take a ride to the train station. Alright, so what you want to do, you're going to want to go to the Grab pickup point. Right here, exactly where you want to be. And then after you get here, you want to order a Grab. You're going to order a Grab to the train station. And from the train station, you get on the train and you go to Chiang Mai. In that order. Pattaya to Bangkok airport, the train station to Chiang Mai. Very simple. Very cheap. Alright guys, I made it to the train station. It's actually pretty impressive. Very big. Not exactly sure where I'm going, but I have plenty of time. I have like 2 hours before I get on the train. So we'll I'm honestly... Oh, I see my train. Okay. I see it. We go to Chiang Mai, number 51. So I'm more interested in getting food right now than actually getting onto the train. So we're gonna figure it out. I probably should have read that, but I didn't. I'll read this one. Alright. Alright, so I can see my train and it says B next to it, so departure B. That's what it looks like. Yeah, that's right. I leave at 10:30. Yeah, that's right. Yep. To gate B. So they actually have some old stuff from the old stations. Little museum area in the train station. It's kind of cool. They have old typewriters and stuff over here. It's a big safe.
Attention please. The special express train is at Bangkok number 25 to Nomad is ready for boarding at platform number 4. Passengers can board the train at departure gate B, platform number 1. Please have the QR code ticket at the automatic gate before boarding. Thank you.
Old railway stuff, man. It's really cool.
โปรดทราบขณะนี้ขบวนเร็วเลขที่167มาทำการต่ำพร้อมให้บริการแล้วที่ชั้นชาลาหมายเลข8ผู้โดยสารสามารถผ่านประตูหลังลงมาเพื่อขึ้นขบวนกลับบ้านที่ประตูขาออกอีชั้นชาลาหมายเลข8โปรดเตรียมผู้โดยสารที่มี QR code สแกนที่เครื่องอ่านก่อนผ่านประตูขอบคุณครับ Attention
Cool
please.
stuff, man.
Your rapid train number 167 Kolkata is ready for boarding at platform number 8.
Alright, now I just sit here and wait. I'm at gate B, which goes to Chiang Mai. It's gonna be a nice ride. I can't wait to actually get on the train because I'm gonna relax and have a nice train ride. That's for sure. Are you guys ready for a train ride? Alright guys, so I made it onto the train. This is it. But we made it. So it's gonna be a 12-hour ride. I'm actually excited for this. Pretty cool. Well, it's gonna be 12 hours train ride. Alright guys, we made it to Chiang Mai. I'm very happy to be here. This is the Chiang Mai train station. As you can see, the trains are here. Oh, there's a lot of people. So I'm gonna find the exit and then take a taxi to my condo. We're gonna be here for 1 month. I'm excited. Chiang Mai. Looks like that's the exit over there to the street. I'm gonna use the restroom. All right, you guys, we made it. We are in our condo, and I'm actually gonna end the video here, you guys. Got a beautiful view from here. See the mountains. We are in Chiang Mai, and there's a lot to do. So, all right, guys, I'm just gonna end this one real quick. Thank you for coming back to In My Dreams. It's a place where I'm living mine, and I'm gonna teach you how to live yours too, because that's what life is about. And I'll see you guys in the next episode, okay? I'm tired and we get some rest.